Om Jnanatirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Jagannath means the Lord of the universe. There's not only one universe, there are many millions of universes. Traditionally, Lord Jagannath has been worshipped in the city of Puri in India. But Jagannath is not Indian. India is a very small place and Jagannath is the Lord of everything. So this Krishna consciousness, it is not a sectarian religious process. It's meant for every person in every time and every place and every circumstance. Although this culture has been traditionally practiced in India, it can be and is now being practiced everywhere. Everyone is meant for being Krishna conscious. Human life is meant for understanding God. We receive this human body after many, many lifetimes. We have been in bodies of all different kinds of animals and birds and plants and insects. Now we have achieved the human life. We should use our intelligence for understanding who are we and what is our relationship with God. This sounds like a very heavy topic. And it is. Because after attaining human life, if we don't try to understand who is God and what is our relationship with Him, then again we have to go into the cycle of birth and death. And again we have to take the forms of animals, birds, trees, insects. So it's a very serious proposition to understand what is the proper use of human life. But as this festival shows, it's also a very joyful proposition. Krishna is the supreme person. God is a person. He's the supreme joyful person. He's the supreme beautiful person. He's the supreme kind and loving person. So these festivals are to invite everyone to join in the happiness that Krishna wants to share with us. Krishna is always dancing, and Krishna's devotees are always dancing. Mostly people, they dance after they've had more alcohol than is recommended. But in Krishna consciousness, we don't take any alcohol and we dance every day. This is a better kind of intoxication. So we invite everyone to become intoxicated with the intoxication of God consciousness. And there's no headache afterward. Rather, the head becomes very clear with clear understanding of who is God, who are we, what is our relationship. So Krishna is God, He's the supreme beautiful, He's also the supreme knowledgeable and wise. And He speaks the topmost knowledge for the benefit of all human society. That knowledge is called Bhagavad Gita, or the Song of God. So here is Bhagavad Gita. This is all the philosophy needed to understand everything that we will ever need to know. This describes the nature of the soul, how and why we are reincarnating from body to body to body, how we can get free from reincarnating from body to body to body, why we are suffering in material life, and how we can come to the position of eternal, unlimited happiness. That is all possible by the process of Krishna consciousness. So everyone is reading every day some newspaper or magazine or book, and we learn so many useless things and a few things which might be a little bit useful. But by reading this one book, we get information which will be for our eternal benefit. Every word is for the benefit, for the eternal benefit of every person. So we invite everyone to take a copy of this Bhagavad Gita, the Song of God. You will not find any higher or better knowledge than this. This is available from the book table here. So we have very good knowledge. We have very good super vegetarian food. Super vegetarian means more than vegetarian, better than vegetarian. Fully spiritual food offered to Krishna. And we have singing and dancing. So please join us and be happy on the spiritual platform of Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.